A 3DTF printer customization ability you should know. Number 1. Import the Christmas custom pattern into computer and send to printer. Our printers can not only custom t-shirts, hoodies, pillows, hats, etc. The printer itself can also be customized. You can custom the logos, colors and sizes. You can see that the printing effect is great. Number 2. Shake powder. Shake off the excess powder. Number 3. Put the customized pattern in the 3DTF oven. The oven have a countdown reminder function. Let's cut the pattern. Number 4. Put into the heat press machine. Then we lay out the pattern. When the temperature becomes lower, we put the film seal. If you want to custom with personality, please follow and contact us to get more information.